Hey, here's a super quick video showing you how to post things in Google Classroom. There's a couple places you could post in the stream. If you click, you can share with your class, but you should be aware that when you're posting in your stream, everyone can see it. So if you click add, you can attach something from your Google Drive, a link to a website, or a file that you have saved on your computer or your phone, and then you just click post, and it'll post it for everyone to see. So that's one place you can post in the stream. The other place is your classwork. If you click view assignment, if your teacher posted an assignment, there's a couple ways you can post here. You can add or create. And then again, you can post a file or a link. And then all you have to do is click turn in. And the other way is if your teacher posted an assignment, you can open the assignment. You can attach things in the document. And then within the document, you will also have the option to turn in the assignment. Right at the top, you can have the option to turn in. Hope that helps. Have a great day.